viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. So if you want to know what I got in my bags this month, then keep on watching. I can't believe it's November already. I'm so excited that I got my Ipsy bag this month, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I have to say I did take a sneak peek, and it's also a good month. First off, I just want to say thank you so much to Ipsy. The Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is 100% gifted to me for free. And so I just wanted to show you guys what's in the bag. And yeah, I'm just thankful for Ipsy and super grateful for this opportunity that they've been sending me this bag every single month, sometimes even the Glam Bag X. And if you guys missed that video, I will link it up here somewhere or in the description box below. That one was a good one. So let's go ahead and get started with the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I love the pop of orange on this bag. It looks so pretty. Like animal print, anything, I love. This screams November to me and Thanksgiving, holiday vibes. Oh, look at that. It matches my little flower vase here. So if you guys don't know, Ipsy is a subscription box. It's a makeup subscription box, and they have several types of bags. So they have the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the regular one, and they also have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. As you can see, this is full of goodies as well. So I will put the price of the regular Ipsy Glam Bag here. This is the least expensive of their subscription boxes. But honestly, for the price, I feel like I always enjoy getting the Ipsy Glam Bag a lot. Like it's hard to disappoint. So if you're kind of thinking about starting your Ipsy Glam Bag subscriptions, I would say start with this bag first and then move your way up depending on what you want. All right, so this bag has the Ipsy logo here on the tassel. And let's see, which one should I show you guys first? Okay, I got a travel size Benefit They're Real magnetic mascara. Yeah, I think this is the first time I'm hearing about this. It doesn't say magnetic, it's They're Real magnet mascara, and it's travel size. It's a powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. I've never tried this one from Benefit, and I've tried a lot of their mascaras, so I'm curious to see what this is. I'm going to be traveling this month, and so I'm definitely going to bring this to travel with me. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, this type of bristle is very lengthening. It can be volumizing sometimes, but we'll see. This one usually pokes me in the eye, but you know how like the benefits outweigh the cons sometimes? That's what it is with these types of mascaras. Like I need the lengthening, so even if it pokes me in the eye, I don't care. Well, I do care, but I just have to be more careful. Next item in the bag is the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. Okay, I've never had a perfume oil before, so this is what it looks like. The aesthetic of it all is so clean. I smelled this the other day and I felt like it was more of a masculine scent, which I don't mind. I mean, I will just go ahead and give this to my husband. And I actually let my husband smell it, and he said, yes, it does smell like a cologne more than a perfume for women. I'm gonna try it on myself just to see how it is. Who knows? This might kind of change with how it's gonna react to my body chemistry. Okay. Next one is the Ciate London eyeshadow, and it's just one tiny little eyeshadow. If you're the type of person that does kind of like a one eyeshadow type of deal and you have your favorite color and that's it for the rest of your life, I think it's worth getting these individual ones rather than getting a palette with so many colors that you don't use. But guys, this is the color. I know I have a lot of these colors. Should I keep it? I love these kinds of colors. I want to swatch them. All right, I'm just going to swatch it. You know what? Ipsy gave this to me to enjoy. so I will enjoy it. I thought it was gonna be shimmery, but it's not as shimmery. Oh, there it is. It's more like a sheen to me. Looking at the pan, I thought it would be more chunky, but it's not. It's very smooth. Next one is another travel size Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I've used this before because I do love the Murad brand. It's very tiny. As you can see, it's the size of my thumb. But I don't know if it made such a big impact for me. So I'm just gonna put this in a giveaway in case this works for someone else. And by the way, guys, be on the lookout for my favorites video because I think I found my holy grail of eye creams. Like, I'm still testing it out, but it did some miracles. And when I say miracles, it's like, whoa. So be on the lookout for my next favorites video because I will be mentioning that for sure. The last item in my bag is the Juicy Couture Choose Juicy candle. So it's like a tea light candle. There you go. I got so excited when I saw this. I thought it was gonna be a Juicy Couture blush. Does Juicy Couture even carry makeup? The scent of this candle smells really good. Like, I would definitely light this up. So far, guys, with everything that I got, I really, really love what I got in my glam bag. I pretty much can use all of it. All right. Next one is the Glam Bag Plus. So this is around $28 a month, and I believe you get up to $120 worth of items. They're all full-size items in skincare or makeup. And yeah, this is another bag that really is a good bang for your buck if you are interested. I love the animal print. I love the pop of orange. Okay, let's start with this one. It's the Iconic London brush set. So there's like your fluffy shading brush, and there's your, fluffy blending brush, and then there's a more stiff blending brush. And then you have the flat shader brush to pack in your eyeshadow and a pencil liner. So I want to keep this because it's white. Like, I love the handle. And then you have this carrying case. So, I so want to keep it. Next item is You Are Beautiful Shades by Sean. This is a San Francisco, California brand. Well, now I have to keep it, okay? I'm not from San Francisco, but I'm very near there. And so I have to support local brands. Okay, it's a setting spray. It looks like a charcoal setting spray too. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it has niacinamide and ginseng. Your skin will feel plumper, hydrated, and refreshed. Let's see the spray. Ooh, it has a very mild scent, but nothing overpowering. I love the spray. You can tell it like disperses evenly into the air. So I love that, and I love the hydrating benefits to it. Guys, my skin, oh my gosh, what is that? My skin has changed so much over time. I feel like now that it's winter, my skin is so cracky and dry. I have been using my hydrating setting sprays more than ever. Next one, it's like Ipsy knew what I needed. The Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. It's hydrating and it's non-comedogenic. This, if you guys have seen my travel videos, makeup and skincare that I travel with, one of the top moisturizers that I bring with me on a trip. And guess what? I was all out. It is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounce. So it is TSA approved. I can bring this on the plane, anywhere with me. You have a pump. This is one of my most favorite brands, my most favorite moisturizer. Next item. Okay, guys, what is it about lipsticks and liquid lipsticks? I just want to keep it. This one is MTU NYC. Okay, should I open it? I've never heard of this brand before, but the color, this is my kind of color. It has that brown undertone that I really like and gravitate towards. So, and it has that deep color that I feel like it would be perfect for fall. Should I open this? Okay, let me think about it. Try not to make decisions impulsively. Did I show you guys the card? Okay, I totally forgot, right? This is Again, Ipsy Open Studios. They're gift to creators and YouTubers like me. Everything I've shown you guys is gifted to me for free by Ipsy. The theme for this month is Creature Comforts. You see like a comforting theme here? Maybe. I do see like there's a candle there, so I feel like that's like a spa moment, right? This theme for this month is all about being cozy, comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, feel-good makeup. Very nice. And gather together. I like the inside of this card. And then the last item in my Glam Bag Plus is this one by Pure. So this is a Pure Exo Nabella. Ooh, who is Nabella Noor? This is Nabella. I don't know if you guys have met her or seen her before on YouTube. She's probably popular, unlike myself. This is a limited edition by Pure, and it's a face, eye, and cheek palette. It looks like there's 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 eyeshadows here. No, 4 eyeshadows. You know what this is missing? A bronzer. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. These 2 are blushes right here, and these 2 are highlighters. Honestly, I've never tried eyeshadow from Pure before. Pure is an understated brand. Like, I want to try it, but then there's so many makeup brands out there that you don't get to try it. I do have to say that one of my most favorite full coverage foundation is Pure. They are vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. If you are into that, it's amazing coverage, especially for acne-prone skin. So now I'm curious about this eyeshadow palette. I feel like I should keep it. All right, I'm keeping it. Let's try, I'll try this highlighter right here. All right, super soft and creamy. I'll try the blush and I'll try the eyeshadow. All right, this is the highlighter, blush, and eyeshadow. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't know how to swatch. Okay, eyeshadow, blush, highlighter. Very creamy, very pigmented. Glad I'm keeping it. So that is everything in my bags, guys. What do you guys think? I think this month is another amazing month. So thank you again to Ipsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would truly help me out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.